Hello students, I warmly welcome to English online class. Today we are going to discuss Unit 1 Prose, the portrait of a lady. So before going to discuss a topic, we'll see about the author Khushwant Singh. So the portrait of a lady, it is written by Khushwant Singh. So he was born 2nd February 1915 and died in 20th March 2014. And he was an Indian novelist as well as he was a lawyer, politician, and he studied law in Delhi, and after that he went to London for his higher studies, as well as he joined in Indian Forest Service in 1947. So as well as he was awarded Padma Bhushan as well as Padma Vibhushan. So he was awarded most famous award Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. So in this story, the portrait of a lady, so the Khushwant Singh, he was the narrator in the story, the portrait of a lady. So the portrait of a lady, it is about a grandmother and a grandson relationship. So it is a joint family system. In the olden age, the most of the family lived with joint family system. But nowadays it is fully changed, only the nuclear family. So in the story it is about the joint family system. So the portrait of a lady, so the characters are grandmother and author Khushwant Singh. So these are the main two characters. Actually the Khushwant Singh describes about his own life incidents. When he was a childhood, he used to spend time with grandmother. So here he described about how he was spending the time with his grandmother. He is telling in this prose. So two characters, one is grandmother and the author. Actually the author's father, he was a builder, he was a businessman, he was a builder. He went to Delhi. So for the business purpose, he went to Delhi and he was a great builder. So in the village, grandmother and author, only the two people were living. Can you understand? In village, grandmother and author. So author is Khushwant Singh. So the grandmother, author, only the two people were living in that village. So remaining people were in Delhi. Can you understand? Okay. So here it is the village atmosphere. You know the village atmosphere very well. So in village school, they were teaching alphabets as well as scriptures. Scriptures means some holy books, some Vedas. Okay, here, in author, grandmother was like a mother. She was cooking and she was helping in all the things to the author. She was cleaning the slates. Also, when he was going to the school, she took all the pen, pencil, slate, bag, everything. So like mother, grandmother treated the author in a very good manner. So there was a good relationship between grandmother and the author. Okay. So after that, so when he was going to the school, author, when he was going to the school, so the grandmother also, she used to join with him. And when she was going to the school, she used to carry some stale chapatis. So what purpose she carried some chapati means she threw the chapatis to the street dogs. That was the habit of grandmother. Okay, what I am saying, can you understand? Grandmother used to take some stale chapatis and she threw to the street dogs. Actually, the street dogs also, okay, it was loving grandmothers. Okay, they were waiting for the chapatis. And after they had gone to the school, you know the village atmosphere school, actually the school which was joining with the temple. Okay, so the author went inside the school and she was sitting in the temple. So she was waiting for the author. So at the meantime, so the grandmother used to sing some holy songs, as well as she sang some prayers. So this is the way she was spending the time in the temple. So after that, he was completing the school time was over, he was returning, and evening time, grandmother and author, they were joining and returning to the house. So this is the habit, this is the way they were spending the time in the village. Can you understand? So the grandmother, like mother, she was treating her grandson with a good manner. There is a good relationship between grandmother and author, like friends. So in village school, they have taught alphabets and scriptures. So when he was returning from the school, she asked him about alphabets and scriptures, because she too liked the scriptures, the alphabets, everything. She asked a lot of questions. She discussed different things from grandson, because she could understand scriptures very well. She used to read the Vedas, Bible, so everything. So they were discussing about the alphabets and scriptures. So this is the way they were spending the time in the village. So after some time, the author's father, he was in Delhi. He was comfortably settled in Delhi. He was earning enough money. He was comfortably settled in Delhi. So after that, grandmother and author went to Delhi. So the village topic, it was very over, and after that they went to Delhi. In Delhi, it was a city. So the author went to the school. It was a modern school. So in Delhi, it was a modern school. So they were teaching science, mathematics, universe. Actually, once grandmother asked the author, so what are the topics had been taught in the school? So author said that to the grandmother, so they taught science, mathematics, universe, about the universe. Actually, the grandmother did not understand, she couldn't familiar about the topics. So she couldn't discuss anything with her grandson, because scriptures means she could understand well. But here, science, mathematics, about the universe means definitely the grandmother couldn't understand any topics. So further, she couldn't discuss anything about with her grandson, that is author. So the village school, it is different, and the modern school, it is totally different. So in village school and the village, they were like friends, grandmother and author. But when they went to the Delhi, they got little separation between grandmother and author, because she couldn't able to go to the school. In village, always she used to join with the author. She went to the temple, she went to the school. She used to sit in the temple and prepare some prayers and read some scriptures, holy books. But in Delhi, it was not possible, because school bus came and picked up the author. Grandmother couldn't able to go to the school. It is not possible one. So there is a distance between grandmother and author. Okay, that is some distance. So the modern school, the matriculation studies, it was very over. So after that, for higher education, he went to the university. In university, he had a separate room, so there is a distance, it's very long. In village, they had a good relationship, but after that, in modern school in Delhi, there is some separation, and after that he went to the higher studies. He joined in university. Okay, there was a separation between grandmother and grandson, that is author Khushwant Singh. Okay, so here the Khushwant Singh described about the grandmother. How did he spend the time in village as well as in Delhi. So after that he went to join the university. So can you understand the topic till now, students?